Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope each and every one of you are in best of your health. Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today I have some interesting plants to share with you. There lies my school of dolphins. I wonder how many dolphins are there. Aren't they pretty and so cute? Look at them, all plump. Look at that. Everywhere my dolphins are jumping, it seems. And the best part is, it is giving out aerial roots. So I plan to take some cuttings. This plant is a gift from my sister-in-law. Most probably she had given me in the month of February. There lies the other beauty, the variegated string of hearts. I also have the green variety, but it is quite small, that's why I'm not showing it to you. But look at this, it is very long and I have just curled it up in one place. And look at the pinkish purplish tinge that it is giving. Now there is another one which is equally pretty. I think it is sedum. If I am wrong, please correct me if you all are aware of its name. The interesting thing in this particular container is that this sedum has two more plants going along with it, the tomato and the potato, who are growing hand in hand together like besties. Now that's my variegated money plant, which you all have seen before, but I am showing it to you because someone had taken the cutting from the plant, and after that it has given new branches, and along with it new shoots have been formed from the main stem as well. So now I'm quite happy after the earlier disappointment. Now that's my caladium, which I nearly lost, but somehow I managed to find it and see. So pretty it is looking. Well, this is also a gift from my other sister-in-law, but I do not know the name of this plant. But it gives pretty yellow flowers. And there is my golden pothos. For which my love will never decrease. It is so pretty. Now that's the variegated pothos which has been growing in this container from one leaf. If you have seen my earlier videos, you will see that it has been growing from one particular leaf, and now you saw numerous leaves have formed. Last year I had the caladium, but this year somehow I had misplaced the bulb which I managed to find. I don't know what I'll do with the tomato and the potato plant once it grows a bit bigger. The string of hearts, the dolphins. I wonder whom to admire and whom to leave out. Each of them are equally pretty and interesting. Growing plants, whether in big containers, small containers, or in the gardens, gives so much pleasure. It's such fun to watch them grow, to water them every day. What do you all say, friends? Now, friends, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, and hit the like button if you found the video interesting. And if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing. We'll be back with more and more of interesting videos in future. So till then, be happy, be safe and bye.